Markley, Markley, give me back the blanket.
You're gonna hurt yourself.
Terrible man now.
Can you hold the fucking light straight?
Who ate my ice cream up? Oh, I can't keep nothing in this house without y'all touching it. I want to know who ate.
I ate all the ice cream.
You ain't eat all that ice cream by yourself. That was a whole gallon of ice cream. Who else you eat?
I ate all the ice cream.
Really? Well, you need to learn boundaries.